So this trick is called blend. First, I would like you to come here and choose a card. Any card you like. Show it to the camera, please. And put it back wherever you want. Thank you. Now I'm going to look at your card using, actually I'm going to guess, okay? I'm going to pick up the first card, and this card suit is going to be the suit of your card, okay? What are the chances? So let's see. As you can see, the suit of this card, this is the 9 of spades. As you can see, your card was had a spade. Is this correct?
Yep.
So I see this card is helping me, so I'll use it again. And this time I'm going to use just a little bit of the ink in the card, okay? I'm going to take this card, okay? And as you can see, you see the card? I'm going to take just a little bit of the ink. As you can see, I'm smearing the card just a bit. I'm taking just a little bit of the ink that this card has. And I'm going to press this ink. I'm going to use it to try to look at the number of your card. And look. This is the number of your card.